but again, it's just like, it's purely needs based for me. I mean,
Yeah.
I've had this conversation with people. I get every, a couple times a year, people emailing me about how to start making guitars and things like that. And, I usually just tell them, look, buy the tools you need when you need them,
Hmm.
and don't like kit up with everything you think you need to start making guitars or fixing guitars, because you're going to spend money on something you don't need yet, or you might not even know how to properly use yet. So just like get what you need when you need it. And that way also the jobs you do will end up paying for the next tool you buy.
But that is real. Like I'm going to do this. I'm going to buy all the stuff first. It's just by the first step of it, buy the wood, buy the plane, start carving, like see if
Look,
it's for you.
it all depends on what you want to do. I mean, there are guys that just want to buy the tools and look at them, and that's great.
Uh,
That's fine. I like, no judgment,
yeah.
and, but it's like, I don't know. I've been doing the repair article for acoustic guitar for the last couple of years, and it's answering reader questions basically. And one of them was about basically, how do I start making guitars and what should I do? And and like, I wish I could have written a series of 4 or 5 articles about that,
Yeah.
because it's quite a soapbox to get up on, if you're trying to treat it like a business, which you really should, if you want to make a living from it, then the best thing you can do is start thinking that way, like right out of the gate.
Yeah.
And to my mind, that means don't spend money unless you need to spend it, and spend it only on the things you absolutely need to like get return right away,
Yeah.
like having all this upfront cost and buying 11 nut files when you might only need 3. I mean, I think I have 6 nut files that I
Hmm.
own. And with that, I do everything from Strats to 6-string basses, and I haven't had to buy anything else. That's a bunch of money I didn't have to spend.